Welcome back to our educational series, The Science of Everyday Life, exploring fascinating phenomena. In today's episode, we're diving into the intriguing world of scientific wonders that occur in our daily lives. Get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover the secrets behind everyday phenomena. I'm your host, and together, let's embark on this captivating journey of discovery. The magic of rainbows. Have you ever gazed at a rainbow in awe, wondering how such a colorful phenomenon occurs? Well, it's all about the interaction of light and water droplets. When sunlight passes through these droplets, it undergoes refraction, dispersion, and reflection, resulting in the breathtaking display of colors we call a rainbow. The symphony of sound. Sound is all around us, but have you ever wondered how it travels and why certain sounds are pleasing to our ears? In this segment, we'll dive into the physics of sound waves, from how they are produced to how they travel through various mediums. The art of cooking. Cooking is not just a culinary art, it's also a scientific endeavor. In this segment, we'll uncover the chemistry behind cooking, exploring how ingredients interact and transform during the cooking process. The wonders of sleep. We spend a significant portion of our lives sleeping, but have you ever wondered why we need sleep and what happens during this seemingly inactive period? Prepare to unravel the mysteries of sleep as we explore the biology and neuroscience behind this essential human function. The marvels of magnetism. Magnets have fascinated humans for centuries, but how do they work, and why do they attract or repel each other? Join us as we unlock the secrets of magnetism and explore the fundamental principles behind this phenomenon. The dance of fireflies. Fireflies have captivated our imaginations with their mesmerizing displays of light. But what makes them glow, and how do they synchronize their flashes? In this segment, we'll explore the biology and chemistry behind the enchanting phenomenon of bioluminescence. The science of vision. Our sense of sight allows us to perceive the world around us, but how does vision work? Join us as we dive into the science of vision, exploring the anatomy of the eye, the process of light perception, and how our brains interpret visual information. The secrets of time. Time is an ever-present force in our lives, but have you ever pondered its true nature and how it affects our perception? In this segment, we'll delve into the concepts of time, relativity, and the philosophical questions surrounding its existence. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the fascinating world of everyday phenomena. We hope you've enjoyed this educational adventure and gained a deeper appreciation for the science that surrounds us. Remember, the wonders of science are all around us, waiting to be discovered and understood. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop seeking knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And as always, let us know in the comments what other scientific topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge, and embrace the wonders of the world around you. Stay curious.